What is it? Whoa.
All right.
A bird.
Oh, there's a bird. Yeah.
Open it.
Good job, Aiden.
It's a bird.
Another
Is there a
bird.
bird on there?
Bird.
Wow, it is a bird on there, isn't it? Oh, what is it?
Whoa.
Elmo.
Elmo? Let me see. Can I see?
Elmo.
Show Mama. He said, okay, I'm done with it. I want to play with the train. Ooh, you got the books like Lexa has. Yeah, that's so cool.
Open it.
Wow.
Who's that?
A Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster. Who's that?
A bird.
Bert. Yeah. Who's that?
Elmo.
Elmo. Who's that?
A chicken.
Chicken.